Hi Glam family, welcome back to my That Glam Girl Krishna's channel. New Year's Eve is just around the corner and it's the perfect time to shine, sparkle and step into the New Year's with confidence. Today I'm sharing a glamorous makeup look that's perfect for all your celebrations, whether you're partying with friends or having a cozy celebrations at home. Let's get started. First, let's prep our skin. Always start with a sunscreen, even if you're partying indoors, because protection is key. Next, I'll prime my face with the Rainy Bollywood Filter Primer to ensure a smooth and long-lasting base. These steps makes all the difference for a flawless finish. For a foundation, I am going with the Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation. It gives that natural radiant glow without looking too heavy. Blend it seamlessly using a beauty blender or a brush for a flawless finish. Time to frame the face. I am filling in my brows with the PEG Brow Kit. Define and shape them but keep them natural. For the eyes, I am starting with an eye primer to make sure our shadow stays vibrant all night long. I'll use the Lakme Rouge Bloom eyeshadow palette, a blend of warm tones and shimmer. Apply the shimmery shades on the lids and blend the mattes into the crease for dimension. Then line the waterline with the rainy white kajal for a fresh wide-eyed look. To highlight and conceal under the eyes and on any blemishes, I am using the Swiss Beauty Concealer. A little goes a long way. Now let's add some warmth and structure to the face. Now I am using a Sugar Cosmetic bronzer palette for contouring the cheekbones and jawline. Next I am gonna be using my Glam contour stick. Blush, I am using the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Happy. It's such a fluttering shade and adds the perfect flush. Finally, coat those lashes with the Bobbi Brown mascara for a volume and drama. Next I am gonna be using Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder. And of course, no New Year's look is complete without a glow. So I am applying the Swiss Beauty Fusion highlighter on the high points of my face, cheekbones, nose and cupid's bow. Let's complete the look with lips. First I am lining my lips with the Swiss Beauty lip liner shade Cherry Brown. Then I am applying the Plum Matte in Heaven liquid lipstick shade Lychee Licious. For an ombre effect, I am layering it with the Swiss Beauty Hold Me Matte liquid lipstick in the shade 01 Cute Nude. The combination is stunning and so festive. To lock everything in place, I am spray the Pack Micro Finish Makeup Fixer Setting Spray. This ensures your makeup stays put all night even as you dance the night away. And there you have it, your perfect New Year's Eve makeup look. Let me know in the comments if you recreate this look or have any fun NYE plans. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I'll post a new video. For more glam tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Happy New Year everyone. Let's step into 2025 looking fabulous. Bye everyone.